ain't that bad.
This goes with the size, yeah.
To Mississippi, just squirt for to Mississippi.
Squeeze it.
Really, everything you sit down.
The funny thing is, half the people here wouldn't even do it, and we eat it for a living.
I'd do it.
Come on.
We eat it for a living.
Yeah.
That's good. I do.
So, am I squirting or are you squirting?
Alright, no, you squirt. Alright, hold on a second. What is this? Yeah, they call that,
Lobster.
they call this 20 kingdoms.
Call it a lobster.
And what do you, it's a lobster.
Yeah, call it a lobster. 50's pineapple, 20's a lobster. I don't know what 10
Do you
is.
actually...
No, 50's a graph.
No.
No, he's doing $40. They named their money's named after crustaceans.
I'm from Queensland.
Okay, so what are you going to get 20
Oh, I guess
lobsters for?
I'm doing 2 Mississippi's and then
Is it two?
but I think I would call Mississippi's.
And what is that?
Kookaburras.
Yeast extract.
It's time back.
There you go.
Can you stop throwing
So,
arms up?
alright, so you're going to do this for 20. Put it right here.
Can you stop throwing your arms up?
So for 20
Sir?
Australian dollars, you're going to do a 2 Mississippi squirt with Vegemite in your mouth.
Okay, you can.
It's
I'm gonna
10
count. And it's
calories.
going to count as soon as the Vegemite hits your mouth.
You're not gonna like slow the
No, come on, I'm a professional. Really? You're taking glasses off?
Oh, it is.
Whenever your process is.
Turn your head to the side, see it better. One,
Oh, God,
two
no.
Mississippi.
Stop, please, for God's sake.
Oh, my God. That's horrible. Oh.
Wow, that was great.
Woo!
Geoff smiled.
Very well done.
Are you alright? Was that worth $20?
I'm gonna have to take this back to the US because
Clearly
there's
we-
nothing I can find here for $20.
T-shirt, question?
Yeah, you can buy your own t-shirt.